watch face has customizations and they may have different ones. The first one is color, so I could use the touch bezel or go like that and pick the color. And then to pick it and stay with it, then you could press like the OK button when you're done. And you could like scroll. You don't need to change other stuff. So this is what I set. So I set this one to battery. You could tap. 1 second. Battery. So in this face, it's a little different. You go through each different complication, and then you have a scroll wheel to pick, which is not like this on the Wear OS devices. So that's a major difference. So you could have none, and then there's 33 options. I'll stick with battery, and this one is date, world clock, messages, alarms, recent apps, etc. So I'll stick with the current date just for the sake of the video. Date. And then there's steps and heart rate, which is the same thing. I'll just change this one just to show. When you're all done changing your complications and other settings, you want to press OK. If you press the back button, like I did now, it won't save and it'll go back to what it was before. So you also need to make sure that the screen won't time out, because then you'll lose your saved changes. So I pressed OK, and then it takes a little to update it. And by default, you can't really change it, at least on Tizen. The shortcuts, so let's say when you press some watch faces, you could press the clock and it might go to a different like kind of shortcut application. Or let's say I press battery, it'll go into battery. This is up to the developer of the watch face to change, and it's not usually customizable by the user. You can also go into the Galaxy wearable app, and then you pick your device, you connect over Bluetooth, and then you could also change settings here. The benefit is that you have more options for watch faces, and it's much more easy to navigate. So I'm just going to go to customize here. And if you disconnect from the watch at any point in time, it won't necessarily save it. Top right, bottom right. So I'll put again heart rate, and then I click save, and then it takes a minute to update of the watch, and I'll update to basically what's on there with the current date and time.